Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you what is in my Toiletries travel bag. Now this does not include my makeup, like my beauty makeup so to speak. This is my hair care and my skin care. I will do my makeup in a separate video. As you all know, we are going to Florida in less than a week. I am so excited to go, and there's a lot of stuff going on. So the main reason why I wanted to do this video, of course, is to show you guys what I bring in this absolutely amazing bag I did find on Amazon for really cheap. I'll link it down below. But another thing is we are doing so much in Florida. If any of you are from Florida or if you've been to Florida, it is a very hot and humid state. And there's a lot of stuff we're doing, such as going out to dinner and looking nice. We're going to Disney for a day, so we'll be hot and sweaty. I'm gonna do some shopping around, with some of my friends and all that. And then some hanging at home days. So a lot of this stuff will work for all of those types of kind of things that I'm doing this week or next week. So I wanted to show you guys kind of an all around, and I'll tell you guys, I'm using this for this and that for that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we go ahead and get into the video, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the big thumbs up button. It would really help me out so much. I would really appreciate it, and stay tuned to see what's in my bag. Okay, so the first thing, I want to show you guys what the bag is. I actually got this bag recommendation from an influencer on Instagram. I think it's, oh god, Live My Best Style. Her name is Katie Roach, and she had recommended this bag. She put it on her stories, and I found this on Amazon, and it was, I want to say, under $20, and it is great. It's got dual pockets or dual zipper pouches on either side, plus something to fit in, and then this zipper on the back, and then it also zips completely up. I'll show you kind of when I open it, but then you have this extra pouch back here. So far I've only used the big interior of the bag and then just one thing on the side. So I have plenty more space, and you guys, this thing is locked and loaded with its weight. It is absolutely heavy. I do tend to overpack, but what can you do? It's a bad trait. So anyways, let's go ahead. I want to show you guys how we actually open this bag, because I think it is so cool. The way that this bag does open, I'm just moving this giant blanket out of the way. The way that this bag opens is amazing because of the fact that you can fit full-size products in here. So you're not limited on, travel size products. I do have a couple travel size products in here. But that's just because either one, I'm testing them out, or two, I want to use them up before actually using the larger size that I have. I know I've said that in previous videos before, but I don't want to like spill it or anything, but it does open like this, and it's got these there's two mesh zipper pockets, and it does have a hook where you can actually hook it on something. I tend to overfill mine, so I don't think I'm going to be hooking it on anything. But it also has a little mesh zipper pouch in the front. I do have some kind of travel size products in there. But this bag, I mean, like, pockets galore, zippers galore. So it really is a great and convenient bag, especially if you're going on long trips where you do need to haul a bunch of stuff like me. I have my all-time moisturizer, the Clinique ID, and I have the Skin Texture Serum, the one in the middle. So that one's really nice as well. And then I did bring two types of lotions, my two ride or die lotions, and I know it's kind of excessive to bring two, but one is really moisturizing and the other one's kind of just an everyday. So the days that we have been out on the beach all day long or in the parks all day long where your skin gets really dried out and just, there's so much sunscreen and you just need to exfoliate and everything, it is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty is the one I'll be bringing. And then the Coco Cabana Cream by Sol de Janeiro. This is the blue packaging one. This has kind of a funky smell, but this is kind of like a water gel cream, so it's really light and moisturizing, kind of on a day-to-day basis. I would really only use the First Aid Beauty one at night. And then we get into skincare. I think I'm going to do skincare, then hair care. The first thing I have is the Clinique Pep Start 2-in-1 Exfoliating Cleanser. And this is really my ride or die cleanser. You can find this at Ulta. It's got a citrusy scent to it, and it's got the tiny exfoliants that will really help take everything off your face, especially if I'm going from, you know, doing something in the morning, doing something in the afternoon, then taking my makeup off, reapplying it if we go out to eat at night, and at the end of the day, and on top of sunscreen, just I need to get everything off my face. So I'm really excited to use this. And like I said, it's my ride or die exfoliator for sure. The next thing we have is the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe, Cucumber, and Green Tea. I'm going to go ahead and bring this, like I said, just to give my face a really good refresh after I get out of the shower, after I get done washing my face. This will just really help refreshen my skin. The next thing I have is, I mean, it goes on your skin, but it's not skincare. It's actually for anyone who has any problems with their underarms rubbing or their thighs rubbing. I found this. There was actually a girl that I follow on Instagram. She posted it, and I'm so happy she did, because I saw it. We were out to eat. I saw it, and then I was like, we have to stop by Ulta on the way home because I need this. Because anyone with, you know, a little bit bigger thighs or bigger arms definitely understands the struggle. And this is it right here. It looks like a deodorant stick. I mean, to be completely honest with you, it probably is. And it's Mega Babe. That's the name of it. It's Thigh Rescue Anti-Chafe Stick. It's just basic white. I mean, it literally, I wonder if this really is just deodorant, but that's okay if it is, because if it works, I have no problem with it. But it literally is deodorant. It smells like plain deodorant. But I'm going to test this out and try it, and I pray to God this works. I'm definitely bringing this to Disney with me for sure. And we have two more. Just this Renewed Hope in a Jar by Philosophy. Like I said, facial oil. I will definitely be using this after I exfoliate my face. Again, ride or die, my basic routine that I do. It's great definitely after I exfoliate. And then just a tube of Neosporin. You can't go wrong with Neosporin. Definitely, hopefully I don't get any blisters or if I get any cuts on my shoes from walking around all day. So I have this. And then I'm out of breath. I had to run and grab this because I actually forgot to put it in my bag. But it is a brand new container because I'm almost out of the Clinique Take Off the Day Balm. This is my absolute favorite thing to use. This is my everyday take off, or what I use to take off my makeup, and it's brand spanking new. So it's going to be great to take that with me. And I think that's all the skincare that I actually have in here. And I think the rest is just hair products. What you're not going to see in this video is a hairbrush or straightener, because I do still, I'm going to use that throughout the rest of this week. So you're not going to see those, but you are going to see like the products that I use. The first thing we have is the Detox Dry Shampoo. I wanted to include some full-size products in here to show you guys that, you know, this really does fit a lot of full-size products, which is absolutely amazing. Ride or Die Detox from Drybar. And then we have the Sheriff by Drybar, and this is the medium hold hairspray. They do have, I believe, a light, medium, and heavy or large, whatever that word is, but you know, it's obviously more hold than this. But I like the medium. I feel like it's really going to work, especially with the humidity. I am not ready for the humidity. I'm not into it. But the next thing we have is called Hot Toddy, again by Drybar. As you can tell what my favorite brand is. I will be doing my hair a lot next week, so just because I'm putting so much heat on my hair, I will be taking this. It's just a hair protectant. It works really good, and it doesn't put any buildup in your hair over time. It's really light and refreshing, so definitely a good heat protectant if you are in the market for one. The next thing we have is, I actually just bought this. I really wanted to try it out. This is kind of like a really, not heavy, but like, you know, the hardest, not hard, like the most intense, more intense than the Drybar one. It's by IGK, and it is a charcoal detox dry shampoo. It's called First Class. And you know, they just had this in the front of Ulta, and I am a sucker for stuff like this. As you can see, it's just the mini. They did have a bigger one, but I wasn't about to spend $30 on a big thing of dry shampoo and hate it. So I got the mini one. I want to say it was like 10 bucks or so. So I'm really excited to try this, maybe on like our last days there, or if it's, you know, my hair is just absolutely looking a mess. I'm hoping this kind of gives a little volume, or a lot of volume, because I would really appreciate that, especially like if we go out on a date night or I go out to, you know, meet some friends or anything. So I'm really excited to test that out. I thought it'd be the perfect time, right? But then we have the Caviar Anti-Aging Rapid Repair Spray Instant Shine and Moisture. And I love to, I'll probably only wash my hair once or twice while we're down there, because I really only wash it once or twice during the week. So I'm going to try to do the same thing. But you never know, just really sweaty and just the gross mess. But this really does put a nice, really pretty light shine. It's not oily or anything. I mean, you do want to rinse your hands after you apply it, but that's totally okay. Right after you get out of the shower and you brush your hair and you let it get a little dry, kind of more wet than damp, but not dripping wet. This is a great product, and you just let it air dry, and then when you actually go to brush your hair and either straighten it or curl it, it really does put a really nice shine in your hair. And I did get that at TJ Maxx, but you could maybe possibly still find it at Ulta. I know Caviar discontinued a lot of stuff, and that's probably why I found it at TJ Maxx, but you never know, they might come out with a new one at Ulta, or you could check it out at TJ Maxx too. The next thing I actually got this in one of my like FabFitFun boxes, along with that Dr. Brand's eye care. But it's the, is it Way? I think it's pronounced Way, the brand. And it is a leave-in conditioner, and I feel like this would be absolutely amazing, because the fact that we do have a toddler and his skin is still fresh. It sounds so weird to say, but we really don't want to bring him out to the beach at 1 o'clock in the afternoon or 12 o'clock. We want to go really early, so I really think this would be great if I can just do it, if I have to do a quick shower in the morning or when we get home and I know I only have time for a quick shower, you know, just wash my hair and then throw this in as my leave-in conditioner. I have used this once before, and it does have great results. Again, it's not super heavy like some leave-in products would be, so I really like this product, and I'm really excited to use that. I have basically one last thing. It is in the little mascara tube, but it's actually a hair gel. I got this off Amazon. I want to say it was like $7. If I can still find it, I will link it down below, but it's like the thickest wand on the planet compared to like mascara, and it's just a clear gel, kind of like a clear brow gel, I guess you would put it. And this really does help with flyaways. I really have bad postpartum hair still. It's really windy, it's really hot outside. You just brush this, comb it through your hair, and it literally stays for hours and hours. So I definitely recommend this product. It's just some like Chinese lettering on it. So definitely try to link this down below on Amazon. But if you can find it, definitely pick it up, because it is absolutely amazing. I mean, you guys, this bag is absolutely amazing. I mean, it doesn't have a shape whatsoever, but it really does hold up. And if you do travel light but with a lot of stuff, just not giant heavy stuff like me, you can definitely use this door hanger. It will work out, and these pockets are absolutely great. I might put stuff in here, I might not, I'm just not sure yet. But if you want to know the exact brand of this bag, it is called Life Wit. Life, W-I-T. That's basically what it's called. So this is my Toiletries bag. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I believe my next video I will put up is my what's in my travel makeup bag. I did one quite a while ago, so I did kind of want to update it. If I have anything different, I actually need to go back and watch that video and see if anything's the same. I'm interested. But that will be it for this video today. Again, I hope you guys really loved it and enjoy it. And leave me a comment down below if you want to see more travel with me type packing videos. I want to do something like I pack my clothes with me, how I pack my suitcase, how I pack my toddler's clothes, and everything under the sun. So if you are interested in those type of videos, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!